Hi students, good morning. Hearty welcome to online class. Now I am going to explain basic concepts. Students, do you know solution of a linear equation? Solution of a linear equation. The value which replaces a variable in an equation. So, as to make the two sides of the equation equal is called a solution or root of the equation. Okay, listen. The value which replaces a variable in an equation. So, as to make the two sides of the equation equal is called a solution or root of the equation. Listen. Students, do you know variable? Variable. Okay. Listen, variable mean A, B, C and so on, X, comma, Y, comma, Z. Okay. This is called variable. Okay. Listen. Equations of two sides. Okay. Listen, this is one side. This is another side. Two sides of the equation equal. Okay. One side, another side. Okay. This is equal. Is called a solution or root of the equation. Solve the equation x minus 7 equal to 6. Solution, here write the question. X minus 7 equal to 6. Listen, both side add plus 7. Okay. X minus 7 plus 7 equal to 6 plus 7. Listen, x minus 7 plus 7 equal to 13. Cancelling plus 7 minus 7. X equal to 13. Okay. We are find the answer x equal to 13. This is right or wrong? Okay, how to verify the answer is right or wrong? Okay, x equal to 13. Substitute the equation. Okay, x minus 7 equal to 6. 13 minus 7 equal to 6 equal to 6. Listen, two sides of the equation equal. This is one side, this is another side. Okay, two sides of the equation is equal. 6 equal to 6. Okay, x equal to 13. This is right answer. Solve the equation 3x equal to 51. Solution 3x equal to 51. Okay. Multiplication 3 going to right hand side 3 plus listen. Multiplication 3 going to right hand side change divide 3. Okay. X equal to 51 divided by 3. X equal to 17. Listen. 1 3s are 3 remaining 2 1 7 3s are 21. Answer 17. X equal to 17. Okay. We are find the answer is 17. Okay. This is right or wrong? Okay. Substitute the equation. Okay. 3x. Listen, 3x equal to 51. 3 into 17 equal to 51 equal to 51. Okay. Listen. We are find the answer 17. This is right answer. Next question. Solve y by 7 equal to 10. Solution. Here write a question y by 7 equal to 10. Listen, left hand side divides 7, going to right hand side change, multiplication 7, okay. Y equal to 7 into 10, y equal to 70, okay. Listen, y equal to 70, substitute the equation, y by 7 equal to 10, 70 divided by 7, 1 7s are 7, 1 7s are 7, 0, 10 equal to 10, y equal to 70, this is right answer. Next question. Solve 2x plus 5 equal to 9. Solution. Here write the question. 2x plus 5 equal to 9. 2x equal to plus 5 going to right hand side change minus 5. 2x equal to 9 minus 5 equal to 4. 2x equal to 4. Multiplication 2 going to right hand side change divide 2. X equal to 4 divided by 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. X equal to 2. Okay, x equal to 2, substitute the equation 2x plus 5 equal to 9. Listen, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 5, 9 equal to 9. We are find the answer is x equal to 2. This is right answer. Next sum, solve 4y by 3 minus 7 equal to 2y by 5. Solution, 4y by 3 minus 7 equal to 2y by 5. Rearranging the like terms. Okay. Students, do you know like terms? Like terms means same variables. Okay. Unlike terms mean different variables. Listen, this is different variable x comma y, a comma b. Here write like terms wise. 4y by 3 minus 2y by 5 equal to 7. Okay. Taking LCM of 3 comma 5 equal to 15. Okay. both numerator and denominator multiplying 5. 4y by 3. 4y by 3. Both numerator and denominator multiplying 5. 5 4s are 20y divided by 15. 2y by 5 equal to both numerator and denominator 3. So 2y mean 2 3s are 6y by 5 3s are 15. Listen, 2y minus 6y by 15 equal to 7. Okay. This equation substitute this answer. 20y minus 6y by 15 equal to 7. 20y minus 6 equal to 14y equal to 7 into 15. Listen. Divide 15. Left hand side divide 15. Going to right hand side change multiplication 15. 14y equal to 7 into 15. Listen. Y equal to 7 into 15 divided by 14. Multiplication 14. Going to right hand side change divide 14. Okay. 1 7s are 7. 2 7s are 14. Okay. Y equal to 15 divided by 2. Solve for x and y. Subdivision 1. 2x equal to 10. Solution. Here write the question 2x equal to 10. X equal to 10 divided by 2. Multiplication 2. Left hand side multiplication 2. Going to right hand side change divide 2. X equal to 10 by 2. 1 2s are 2. 5 2s are 10. X equal to 5. Okay. X equal to 5. Substitute the equation. 2 into 5. Listen, 2x equal to 10. 2 into 5 equal to 10 equal to 10. We are find the answer x equal to 5. This is right answer. Okay. Subdivision 2. 7 minus y equal to 3 into 5 minus y. Solution. Here write the question. 7 minus y equal to 3 into 5 minus y. Listen. 7 minus y equal to 3 5s are 15 minus 3y. Okay. Write like term wise. Okay. Like term wise mean same variables. 3y minus 7y. Sorry, 3y minus y equal to 15 minus 7. Okay. Here write variables. Here write constants. Okay. So 3 minus y. 3y minus y. Okay. So 2y equal to 15 minus 7 equal to 8. Y equal to 8 divided by 2. Multiplication 2 going to right hand side change divide 2. 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8. Y equal to 4. Okay, substitute the equation. Substitute this equation. 7 minus 4 equal to 15 minus 3 into 4. 7 minus 4 equal to 3 equal to 15 minus 3. Listen, 3 4s are 12. So 3 equal to 3. We are find the answer y equal to 4. This is right answers. Okay. Students, homework for this day. Question number 1, 3 plus x equal to 5. Question number 2, x minus 6 equal to 10. Solve this problem in your homework note. Thank you, students.